We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we are looking at a 2020 Indian Springfield. This one is in Thunder Black. It's got the chrome engine and all the chrome detailing. It's got engine guards on front and rear. Locking saddlebag. Rider backrest and passenger seat. We have floorboards for the rider and the passenger as well. And this has the 111 cubic inch engine. Chrome bars and detailing for the rider. And this bike is also equipped with ABS. Nice tall windshield. This thing is ready for a nice long trip. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check it out.